Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to WeChat. First, you'll need to download the WeChat application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll see an option to log in or sign up. Tap the Sign Up button to begin your registration journey and create a new account. Next, you'll register your account. Select Sign Up via mobile to use your phone number, which is the most common method. Carefully enter your name, select your region, and provide a valid mobile phone number. Then, create a strong, unique password for your account. Remember to read and agree to WeChat's terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding to the next step. Now, it's time for security verification. You'll likely encounter a puzzle. Simply slide the piece to complete it. WeChat will then send a verification code via SMS to your registered mobile number. Enter this 6-digit code into the app to confirm your identity. In some cases, especially for new users, you might need an existing WeChat friend to assist with a quick account verification process. Finally, you're ready to set up your profile and explore. You can upload a profile picture and choose a unique WeChat ID. Take some time to explore the app's many features, such as moments for sharing updates and the chat function for messaging. You can add friends by scanning their QR codes or searching for their WeChat ID. Now you're all set to connect with people and enjoy everything WeChat has to offer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.